make yourself positive and you'll surely succeed. Okay students, last class chemistry रे कौन पढ़िथिलु? कहार मन अछि? मन नहीं? Okay, so we were doing carbon and its compound, right? Carbon ର nature विषय पढ़िथिलु. What
Yes,
are the
ma'am.
yeah, and today I'll try to complete the chapter and I have MCQs also, so I want everyone to be attentive and I want everyone to score the highest. Okay, so we studied about the carbon which formed covalent bond. Now who can explain me what is covalent bonding, or how covalent bond is formed?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I?
yes Santanu.
Ma'am, the bonds we can form by sharing electrons.
Okay, what type of bond? Santanu will not say. Okay, what type of bond do carbon form and why with other elements?
It
What
forms
type
a
of bond?
covalent bond.
Okay Subham, why?
Can I?
Yes, so Sovik.
And because it has 4 electrons in
Because
outermost
it has
shell.
four electrons in its outermost shell.
Okay, okay, fine. Now, who can say me which bond is stronger, ionic bond or covalent bond?
Ma'am, can I?
Covalent bonds.
No, sir.
Ma'am, ionic bond.
Ionic bond.
Okay. Now, Subham said covalent bond. He'll give his reason why covalent bond is stronger. Santanu said ionic bond. Jasmine said ionic bond. Why ionic bond is stronger? First, Subham will say why covalent bond, he thinks covalent bond to be stronger. Yes, Subham, continue.
Ma'am, because they are formed by merging their atoms.
Okay. Okay. Who all are saying Subham को छाड़िकी आउ किए कहुच that covalent bond is stronger? Ankita, Pratyush, Vaishali, Ishana. What do you guys say? Is Subham correct? Who all will go with Subham? Okay. Subham is one man and me. Okay. Now who can say me, or why do you think, Santanu, ionic bond is stronger than covalent?
Ma'am, because in ionic bond, the molecular force of attraction is more than covalent bond. As in covalent bond, it share its electron, but in ionic, it gain or lose its electrons.
Okay, Kohibo Santanu, was Santanu correct?
Ma'am, I think because they form ions, opposite charged ions will attract each other, therefore it is stronger.
Very good. Very good. Subham, in covalent bond, shading of electrons takes place, isn't it, Subham?
Yes, ma'am.
But in ionic bond, transfer of electrons takes place. যদি
Yes, ma'am.
transfer of electron होची, positive negative cation anion ର formation होची, if I am not wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Positive negative, they will obviously, charge is different, the attraction between the element or their electrons will be higher. Okay, so just keep in your mind, ionic bond is always stronger than covalent bond. Okay, then we
Yes,
have discussed about allotropy. Okay, now what is allotropy? Allotropy, anyone?
Can I?
Ankita, Pratyush, Vaishali, Ishana. We'll just discuss. I want everyone to be interactive so that we'll have a good conversation. Yes, Vaishali. What is allotropy?
Different
Means,
forms of an
sir,
element.
ma'am,
Yes.
it is a property by which element exists in more than one form. Means
Okay,
more than one
very
step.
good.
Ma'am, liquid or
Okay. Now, carbon shows allotropy.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
How many
Yes,
forms
ma'am.
do carbon
Ma'am, crystalline and amorphous.
crystalline and microcrystalline or
or amorphous?
amorphous.
Now, last class we कहଥିଲି, what is the difference between amorphous form and crystalline form?
Crystalline form has a definite shape, whereas amorphous form does not have a definite shape.
Very good, very good. Now, what was the important character of carbon which help it to form covalent bond with other elements? What was that important nature or characteristics of carbon?
Tetravalent.
Yes, tetravalent. Okay. Now, what is catenation?
The property of
And
a
the property of
element to form long
length
chains.
Do carbon form long chain?
Yes.
Ma'am, it can form long chains, branch, and ring-like structures.
Very good. Good. Pratyush, are you there? Pratyush, Vaishali? Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, Pratyush. Do you remember we have discussed about catenation? Pratyush, Ankita, Ishana? Okay. Okay. I hope you all are clear till now. So we'll go to our next section, which is hydrocarbons. Now, what are hydrocarbons? The name really jana pochi. Hydrocarbon, they will consist of carbon and hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
Hydrocarbons are compound containing carbon and hydrogen.
Yes.
Okay. These all are the example of hydrocarbons: methane, ethane, okay, butane, etc. There are two types of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons again are divided into two types. One is saturated hydrocarbons and the other one is unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated ra mane kono? What do you mean by saturated?
Only single bonds are there.
Okay. So the
It is full means
Amit
you
Anju,
can't add more hydrogen.
carbon, they form bond. Okay. So saturated hydrocarbons, they have only single bond. They have only single bond. Carbon atom bhitere jodi single covalent bond achi taku ame कहबा saturated hydrocarbons or alkane or paraffins. Okay. Now the hydrocarbons which have one double bond or triple bond, it is known as unsaturated hydrocarbons, जोटा कि alkene हेई पारंती नरे alkyne होई पारंती. Single bond भी थिबो ता सहित double bond की triple bond थिबो. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, once again, ma'am, understand.
Okay, okay. One second. Hydrocarbons. Now, hydrocarbons are those organic compounds which will contain only carbon and hydrogen. Carbon, hydrogen को छाड़ी की जो माने carbon और hydrogen ही थिबे. Okay, they have carbon and hydrogen. They are known as hydrocarbon. It's an example of hydrocarbon again are of two types, that is saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now, what are saturated hydrocarbons? Saturated hydrocarbons are hydrocarbons where the carbon-carbon bond is connected by single bond. These are the saturated hydrocarbons. एटी किसी लागी नहीं माने जानी बोलती hydrogen लागी थी, है ना?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, it can be chain, branch, or ring.
yes, it can be.
Okay, ma'am.
But in unsaturated hydrocarbons, जदि गोटे double bond थिबो कि गोटे triple bond thibo, then it is unsaturated hydrocarbons. Clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ankita, are you clear? Pratyush? Pratyush is not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ankita, can you explain me what are saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons? Ankita? Pratyush? What are saturated hydrocarbons and what are unsaturated hydrocarbons? Pratyush? No? Vaishali? Sovik?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Say. What are saturated hydrocarbons and what are unsaturated hydrocarbons?
Ma'am, saturated hydrocarbons are each hydrosaturated carbons.
Yeah. What? Yes, Sovik. What are saturated hydrocarbons? Tamani ke suno.
Ma'am, saturated
Ma'am, can I?
hydrocarbon.
Yes.
Ma'am, the hydrogen carbons which are linked by a single covalent bond is called as saturated
Very good, Santanu.
hydrogen carbons.
Sovik, can you repeat what Santanu said? Now you can say what is saturated hydrocarbons.
Ma'am, saturated hydrocarbon means hydrocarbon that contain only a single bond between the carbon atoms.
Okay. Is this for Sovik or Subham? Sovik,
Subham.
what are unsaturated hydrocarbon then?
Which are not bound with a single hydrogen. Which are not bound with a single carbon atom.
Which contain, not bond, which contain a multiple bonding. ମୁଁ example भी देखिली ना, the hydrocarbons which have one double bond, गोटे double bond थिबो, नहले गोटे triple bond थिबो, सेमानकु unsaturated hydrocarbons कहंती. अबिका तमे माने मते कहिबो why these double bond and triple bond जो थिबो, why these hydrocarbons are called unsaturated hydrocarbons and why single bond जोडी थिबो सेमाने काहे कि why we are named as saturated hydrocarbons. Can anybody use your common sense and say?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
Ma'am, in between two carbon atoms, the first bond is strongest. The second bond which is formed, it is quite less stronger than the first bond formed. Therefore, it can be easily broken and another two hydrogen can be added.
Very good.
Therefore, it is called unsaturated.
These all are saturated hydrocarbons, isn't it? Because single bond are there. Now, I cannot. The first bond with carbon is quite stronger as compared to carbon double bond carbon, as compared to carbon triple bond carbon. आपको भांगिबा कष्ट, किंतु एटा ए गोटे दी डबल को सिंगल मु करि परिबी by doing some chemical reaction. I can make double to single. I can break third triple bond to double bond to single bond. I can do that. Okay, because सेमानकर bond strength एते न थाए, मु triple bond रो double bond करि परिबी, double bond रो single bond करि परिबी, किंतु single bond रो कोन करिबी, single bond को कोन करिबी भांगी की.
Single bond cannot, it will be only single bond.
I cannot,
No, nothing can be
I
broken.
cannot break it. It is stronger. It is strongest. Therefore, जदि पूरा single bond थिबो सेमानकु saturated hydrocarbons कहा जाय. जदि double bond की triple bond रही गला, they can break down to single bond. There is chance I can break them out and I can break double bond and create a single bond. Therefore, they are known as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Kovik, clear? Pratyush, Vaishali, Ankita, Ishana, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, এটা last class ରେ ଆମେ discuss କରିଥିଲୁ isomerism. କାହାର ମନ ଅଛି? Last class ଟିକେ ନାକୁ discuss କରିଥିଲୁ isomerism ବିଷୟରେ. What is isomerism? Isomers, isomerism. କାହାର ମନେ ନାହିଁ?
Can I say
Yes.
the compounds which have same chemical formula but different structural formula?
Okay, fine. Very good. A compound having same molecular formula and which has different structure. Okay. जदि मु तार definition को जिबी, compounds having same molecular formula, they show different physical and chemical properties. And why this difference in physical and chemical property? Because they arrange themselves in different, their atoms are arranged in different way. मोर गोटे example मन थिबो, ए example देखैथिली, एटा चारटा कार्बन सिंगल चेन रे लागि चंती ना कि देखा दो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल चारटा
Yes,
कार्बन
ma'am.
सिंगल रे लागि चंती आ हाइड्रोजन को तारो ये बैलेंसी अनुसार आई हैव सैटिस्फाइड. नाउ व्हाट कैन आई डू? तीनटा लगे कि ए कार्बन सहित मझी कार्बन सहित आ गोटे कार्बन लगे परबी ना कि, एंड आई
Yes,
कैन
ma'am.
again arrange the hydrogen atoms and I can get a different structure. But the molecular formula of this butane is C4
C4H10.
C4H10.
10. आ पाइन का भी C4H10, आ पाइन का भी C4H10. Okay, molecular formula is same. Molecular formula is same, but I have different structure formula. The compound which show, okay, this property is known as isomerism, and these are eta gote isomer, these are known as isomers of butane. सेमिति ए कंपाउंड रो ना कोन हबो? आरो molecular formula हबो
C5H12.
C5H12.
H12.
H12. Okay, H12. This is pentane. चारि माने तमर एक्चुअल नोमेनक्लेचर तो नाही, बट मन रखो. This is 4 but 5 pen. Okay, pentane.
Ma'am, 2.
2 is
Ethane.
prop, PROP prop. Okay.
Ma'am, didn't get.
Yes.
Ma'am, 2 and 3, what they are called?
Ethane, ETH, 2 for it. 3 for prop, PROP prop. You don't have to
Yes,
remember because तमर nomenclature नाही. So हजेज नॉले भी माने आमे आउरी भलसे पढथांत. Okay, fine. So you just see एठी पांचटा single bond रे लागिची, 5 in a chain, but here it is branched, like second रे लागिची गोटे ऊपरे, and this here third रे कोन एची the second carbon atom रे दीटा C branch थेकी लागिची. So these three are isomers of pentane. The molecular formula is same, which is C5H12, but we have 3 different structures. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have more structure also.
Koda-
We can
koda
form.
structure karibo. Yes, you can form more structure also, but
Cycle rings.
cycle hejibo. But here pentane ro तीनटा ही हेई पारिबो. Okay, देखो काईंति मु तीनटा कहली देखो बुझे दोची. एपडू एटा सेकंड ना की.
Yes, ma'am.
1 2. If I count from here, 1 2 3, isn't it?
Yes,
जदि
ma'am.
88 लगेली, 80 गोटे लगेला, जदि मु 8 लगेबी तो एटा एपडू भी थर्ड हबो. जेबे देखो एठी 1 2 एपडू कैलकुलेट करले भी 1 2 सेम
Yes,
हे गलानी.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, didn't hear, ma'am.
Suppose I जदि मु 8 न लगे कि 8 लगे थांती, से कहू तो
Yes,
सुभम.
Yes, ma'am.
So 8 this here 1 2 तुम 8 लगेला.
Yes, ma'am.
थर्ड टा कला बेल को एठी आसी जीवनी एपडे 1 2 एपडे भी 1 2 जोडे कि विल बी इक्वल टू दिस
Yes, ma'am.
इट विल बी सेम कॉलेज जानी
Yes,
पड़े
ma'am.
okay do it and you will get these 3 isomers only for pentane okay now we'll go to the functional group. Now what is functional group? Now suppose I have carbon bond carbon bond carbon एटी केटा हाइड्रोजन लाग परिबो ए कार्बन रे
3.
Ma'am, 3.
3 very good एटी केटा लाग परिबो
2.
एटी दीटा एटी गोटे एटी भी तीनटा नाकी is it am I right
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
suppose if एठी मु कोन करिबी गोटे हाइड्रोजन को काढी की suppose one हाइड्रोजन को मु काढी देबी CH2 आउ गोटे बॉन्ड रे I add something else मु H को काढी की if other element is forming bond with carbon okay जोटा कि OH तो गोटे मल्टीपल हे गला suppose a single atom suppose nelly if I add a halogen that is chlorine I can do that okay मु गोटे हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस करके जदि सेठी अदर एलिमेंट लागि गला okay that particular the thing which element हो कि group of element हो that is known as functional group पढ़ि देबा कोन लिखाई छी carbon form bond with other elements such as halogen now what are halogens
Chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine.
yes there are halogen जब हमें next chapter हम periodic table रे I think we can read about them okay so जदि सेमाने लागिबे न ऑक्सीजन रो किछि ग्रुप नले नाइट्रोजन और सल्फर those who have tendency to share their electrons isn't it hydrogen जाके जदि एमाने लागि गले they can form bond with carbon yes obviously they can form bond with carbon
especially non-metals.
yes in a hydrocarbon chain one or more hydrogen can be replaced by these elements such that the valency of carbon remains satisfied तो मु कार्बन रो वैलेंसी सैटिस्फाई करबा को खाली एमति नो कि हाइड्रोजन आउ किछि भी एलिमेंट्स लगी जदी लागि परिबो yes it can so these element they are known as hetero atom जो एलिमेंट हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस करिकी लागिबो in carbon chain that is known as hetero atom and तांको पाइन का कोन हुए due to them the specific property they give a specific property to that compound to that particular compound now this element or the group of elements are known as functional groups again I am repeating now what are functional groups we have learned carbon can form chain and carbon have the tendency to satisfy to share its electrons केतेटा कर परिबो चारटा कर परिबो 4 now it can form bond with आमे तो हाइड्रोजन रो देखिलु but it can form bond with these element also with halogen with oxygen with nitrogen and with sulfur they can form bond and when these elements are replaced in place of hydrogen they are known as heteroatom or they for due to this specific element the total physical property or the property of this compound changes so therefore this element is known as functional groups यदि मु एग्जांपल देखिबी हाइड्रोजन रे क्लोरो ब्रोरो एमति लागि परबो ऑक्सीजन रे अल्कोहल जदी OH
Ma'am, why they are called halogens?
who can say me why they are called halogens halogen is salt formation ta माने होची से they can form salt
Yes.
HCl they can form salt माने मेटल से माने salt form कर परिबे यदि का से रिएक्ट करिवे okay आमे जो periodic
Yes,
table पढिबा will know why they are called halogen why they are called alkaline earth metal why alkali metal will learn everything Now these all are the functional group. Just for example, you don't have to remember. Just have to just example ki एमाने सबु कौन हुअन्ति in place of hydrogen. They can be replaced and therefore they are called functional group. We'll see a video now. Shantanu, be ready to say the video is not played.
Computer is not played.
Not
I'm
played.
promotion.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Carbon compounds rule the globe. They are present in almost all bits and pieces that we can see, touch, or smell. However, when we say hydrocarbons, what does it exactly mean? Yes, in literal terms, we mean compounds made up of carbon and hydrogen. But tell me one thing, are all the carbon compounds only made up of carbon and hydrogen? Are there no other atoms that make up the compounds? If all the compounds will have only hydrogen and carbon, then every compound should have the same or similar properties, right? But that does not happen. We see a wide variety of properties in the carbon compounds because elements other than carbon and hydrogen can also be present in them. This gets us to the concept of functional groups. Now, what could this mean? Let us understand this concept in a simple manner by splitting the terms. The word groups means a collection. That indicates a collection of atoms. And functional means having an important role or function. This tells us that the functional group is a group of atoms that have an extremely important role in the functionality of the compound that they are present in. Yes, say there is a random compound WXYZ which is attached to the functional group AB. In this case, the properties of this entire compound are majorly determined by the functional group AB. There is another way in which we can understand functional groups. They are defined as the groups of atoms which have definite properties. These functional groups impact the properties to the compound in which they are present. The presence of functional groups defines the properties irrespective of the length of the principal chain of carbon or side chains attached to it. Do we know a few examples of functional groups? Of course we do. You must have come across the terms alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, phenols, and so on. These are nothing but functional groups. So let us say we take a carbon chain of 10 carbon units. The carbon chain may be straight chain or a branched one. Say it has an alcoholic functional group attached to it. This was the case of saturated hydrocarbons. Same holds true for unsaturated hydrocarbons as well. Now, in any case, the properties of the compound formed will depend on two factors. First factor is the presence or absence of a single, double, or triple covalent bonds between the carbon atoms. It means the compound being saturated or unsaturated will define many of its reactions. Another important influencing factor is the presence of a functional group. It is this group that gives the characteristic properties to the compound formed. Now let us have a look at a few more examples of functional groups along with their structures in the upcoming videos.
Bujiela?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Sovi?
Ma'am, blood. After radiation always gets blood.
Is it clear now?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, but,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
again.
ma'am, readable, but it is blur.
Ma'am, but it's not so much blur.
Okay, fine. Pratyush, can you say me what are hydrocarbons?
Combination of hydrogen and carbon.
Combination of hydrogen and carbon. Ishana?
Ma'am, the organic compounds formed by hydrogen and carbon are known as hydrocarbons.
Okay, very good. Vaishali, how many types of hydrocarbons are there? Vaishali, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
How many types of hydrocarbons are there?
Ma'am, may I?
No, Vaishali will say. Sovik? Shovik ଅଛି ନା ନାହିଁ?
Yes, ma'am. Achhi.
Okay. How many types of hydrocarbons are there?
Ma'am, there are 4 types.
4 types. How many types?
Ma'am, hydro. Ma'am,
What is the
4
answer?
types. Ma'am, 4 types. 4 types.
Okay, name them.
Ma'am, CH4 and
Those were those were the examples. Okay, Sovik. How many types of hydrocarbons are there? Our hydrocarbons are divided
ma'am,
into
2
how
types,
many
from
types?
saturated and unsaturated.
Okay. What is saturated hydrocarbons?
Ma'am, those who have single carbon.
In which the bond between carbon and carbon
It-
is single
one.
covalent bond. Okay. And what is unsaturated hydrocarbons?
Ma'am, double or triple covalent bond with carbon.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. Subham, define isomerism. Subham,
Yes, ma'am. Depending on. Ma'am, I am out. 1 minute.
Santanu, what are functional groups?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, say Subhan. What is
Ma'am, isomerism means compounds that show the same compound formula but have different structure formula.
compound formula, molecular formula?
Sir, molecular formula.
Okay, Santanu, what are functional groups?
Ma'am, functional groups replace hydrogen and put other halogens such as oxygen, nitrogen, or sulfur.
Halogens, and for that, due to that
That
element,
properties
the
or
property
element,
of the
it's
compound
called as
varies. Okay.
functional group.
Vaishali, can you name 2 functional groups? Ishana,
Yes, ma'am.
example of 2 functional group?
Ma'am, alcohol
Yes.
and ketone.
Yes, very good. Okay, alcohol, ketone, halogens, chloro, broro, or carboxylic acid, aldehyde. These all are the functional groups. Now we will move on to homologous series. Now, homologous series. दीटा डेफिनेशन आमे पढ़ी परिबा कोन गोटे कंपाउंड सीरीज ऑफ कंपाउंड अछंती जो थरे सेम फंक्शनल ग्रुप लागि थिबो ताकू गोटे होमोलोगस सीरीज कहि परिबा ओके जेमति कि सपोज CH4OH C2H5OH CH3OH CH4OH तो हबनी CH3OH C2H4OH OH जदि लागिबो सबु कंपाउंड रे दैट सीरीज आर नोन इज नोन एज होमोलोगस सीरीज
I'm only OH.
yes only same functional group any मुझे OH रो एग्जांपल देली अल्कोहल रो एग्जांपल देली or a homologous series it can be defined as a group of similar structurally similar compound and each member of the group differs by CH2 example देखिले बुझी पारियो मु एग्जांपल देखौची सपोज एटा मु अल्केन नेची मिथ माने कार्बन होची 1 गोटे कार्बन थिबो तम कॉपी जदी थिबो यू कैन ड्रॉ द स्ट्रक्चर ओके CH4 जदी मु दीटा कार्बन नेली दीटा कार्बन
C2H6.
सिंगल बॉन्ड रे लागि छि इथेन ता ना it is C2H6 तीनटा लागिले C3H8. Now what is the difference between the first methane and ethane?
Ma'am,
Carbon.
one C is added to, so it becomes C2, and 2H are added to H4, it become
एटा
H6.
CH2 नुहा की
Yes, ma'am.
तो these are the homologous series और कहार homologous series alkane रो बुझियला ना बुझियलानी
Yes, ma'am.
मिथेन रे गोटे कार्बन थाए इथेन रे दीटा कार्बन थाए प्रोपेन रे तीनटा कार्बन थाए ब्यूटेन रे चारटा और पेंटेन रे पांचटा से अनुसार तमे हाइड्रोजन सैटिस्फाई करिवो नाउ ए हाइड्रोजन केमती सैटिस्फाई करिवो समस्त जानिचो सोविक वैशाली शांतनु जस्मिन प्रत्युष शुभम
No, ma'am, I don't.
you don't know
Ma'am, can you repeat what you said?
I asked if I say draw the structure of suppose alkane or methane or ethane, okay, or alkane माने single bond thibo, okay, with 2 carbon atom or 3 carbon atom. Can you satisfy the valency without remembering? Can you satisfy with hydrogen? last time कहइथिली शुभम मना कला शांतनु सोविक जस्मिन नामु देखी
Can try.
listen let me show suppose तमु कुआ हला what will be the how many hydrogen atom or what will be the structure of alkane ANE mark ANE means single bond okay with suppose 5 or suppose 4 carbon atom तमे चारटा कार्बन लिखि देबो 1 2 3 4 लिखि देलो
And why
बुझियो
4 carbons?
तमु कुहाय छै suppose example दे तमु पचाछि write the structure of alkane with 4 carbon atom okay suppose first carbon रे केतेटा bond satisfy already हेछि गोटे bond satisfy हेछि माने गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन satisfy हेछि आ केटा इलेक्ट्रॉन
Tinda.
3.
तो तीनटा बॉन्ड लगे देबो आ एठी सब एच लागिबो
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मन पड़छ लास्ट टाइम हम करथिलु एटा
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके नाउ सेकंड को आसीबो सेकंड रे
Second
ऑलरेडी
रे
दीटा
Ma'am,
इलेक्ट्रॉन
already two.
दीटा इलेक्ट्रॉन पड़िछि आ दीटा अछि
ADUHS.
गोटे एच एठी गोटे एच
Yes, ma'am. Third will be same.
थर्ड रे भी सेम एठी गोटे एच एठी गोटे एच
Ma'am, fourth row, tinta.
फोर्थ रे केटा लागिबो फोर्थ रे गोटे अछि आ तीनटा एठी गोटे एठी गोटे एठी गोटे which will be same as this one see
Yes, ma'am.
बुझेला केमती करिवो सोविक वैशाली प्रत्युष
Yes, ma'am.
okay प्रत्युष okay वैशाली okay now this was the homologous series of alkane now what is the general formula of alkane alkene and alkyne before going to that let me say you alkane are the hydrocarbons with single bond alkene with double bond alkynes with triple bond एतिकी मन रहइबो
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
alkane alkene alkyne alkane रो formula होची general formula CnH2n plus 2 alkene होची CnH2n alkyne होची CnH2n minus 2 एतिकी मन रहइबो general formula
Yes, ma'am.
what is general formula suppose तम कार्बन दीटा अछि 2 number of carbon अबिका को alkane रे हाइड्रोजन केता हबो केमथि हबो
Ma'am,
C2
C2,
6.
n जगह 2 पकाओ H
H6.
H
6.
4 6.
6. 6.
okay
Yes,
this
ma'am.
this for alkene group, এটা alkane গলা AN.
C2H4.
suppose EN কোন হবো C2
C2H4.
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 suppose YN
So C2H2.
C2H2H2.
C2H2.
E2
H2.
ଏଠୁ ଦେଖିକି ତମେ ନା ବି କହିଦବ ଆର ନା କଣ ହବ
Alkane.
ନା ନା এটা তো alkene
Ethane.
না এটা হবো ইথেন বিকজ 2
Yes, ma'am.
এটা হবো ইথিন নাকি
Ethyne.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
The ethyne.
ethyne.
ইথাইন YN লেখি পাবে clear
Yes,
now
ma'am.
what you all have to do ଯେମିତି ମୁଁ ଅବିକା କଲି you will show me the structure and the name of the carbon. Number of carbon is 5 or N is 5 I can say.
Ma'am,
Structure draw କରିବି या formula means
ma'am କହିବୁ या group ମାନେ copy ରେ କରିବୁ?
copy ରେ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ନା structure
Okay, ma'am.
no only the formula no structure only the formula don't have to do the structure it will take a lot of time just the formula and the name. You can send me in chat also if you want. Everyone send me individually through chat. Okay?
Okay.
Done?
Yes, ma'am. Done. Ma'am, I have written in notebook.
Okay.
I'll show, ma'am.
Okay. Wait. You can send me in chat. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Sending.
Okay, Jasmine. I got the reply from Jasmine and Shantanu.
Ma'am, writing me.
Okay, Subham, faster. Pratyush, you can also write Sovik, Ankita. Today, many of them are absent.
Yes, ma'am. Complete.
Yes, Shantanu complete. Shantanu got it right. Jasmine, you got one wrong. Where are other? Ankita, Sovik, and Pratyush.
Can you please show the question again?
The question was write the formula and the name for the number of compound or N is equal to 5. General formula. Do you want to see the general formula again? Okay, Jasmine, got it right. Sovik, do you want to see the general formula again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Subham,
Ma'am, writing in the chat.
Ma'am, it is completely blurred, the screen.
Ma'am, done. Sent you.
Okay. Sobik over. Pratyush. Ankita.
Ma'am, I have sent you.
Yes, got it. Ankita. Sobik and Pratyush, we are waiting for you three. Faster. Pratyush, Ankita, Sobik, can you do it or I'll just explain again? Do you want me to explain again?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about Pratyush and Ankita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, again. Okay, fine. So this is the general formula for alkane group. This is the general formula for alkyne group. Okay, alkene group, and this is the general formula for alkyne group. Now, what is N? N is number of the
Atoms.
carbon
Electrons.
Total number of
Carbon
atoms.
electrons.
Yes. Suppose for alkane, if I take 2 number of carbon atom, that is N is equal to 2. Okay. Edi 2 substitute kar diyo. Kon hobo?
4. 2 into 2,
C-
4.
C2H6.
6.
যদি দুইটা কার্বন ଅଛି আর না ହେଇଯିବ ইথ এনি got it
Yes, ma'am.
for alkene group C2H
4.
2 2 ja 4 this is ethene इथ होची दीटा कार्बन पाइंगा हैला प्रत्युष अंकिता एंड सोविक इथ होची 2 कार्बन सेमिति अल्काइन ग्रुप पाइ हबो C2H2 it is
Ethyne.
इथाइन इथ तो लहाबी लेखिबो YNE माने का पाइंगा YNE लिखा जाए
Triple bond.
Alkyne.
सिंगल बॉन्ड
Double bond.
Double bond.
Triple bond.
Sovik, Pratyush, clear?
जी मैम.
Okay. Now all of the three who gave me the answer, they all were Mudaitli 4. All were right. All of them have done right. See,
So 5 देतले ma'am.
Acha, 5
Yes,
is
ma'am.
okay. Sorry. C, I have given C is equal to or N is equal to 5. Naki.
Yes, ma'am.
First habo
C5 is 12.
5 H
12.
okay. Now Sovik, say me what will be the name? Sovik, can you say me what will be his name? Sovik, yes or no?
Ma'am, may I?
It is
Pentane.
mane
Pentane.
5 mane pen jetu alkane group ANE. Got it, Pratyush? Pratyush, got it? For alkane group, it will be C5H10. Name will be what?
Pentane.
Pentane or pentene?
Ma'am, pentene.
ENE. And for alkyne group, it will be
Pentine.
Pentane.
C5H8. It will be pentine.
Tine.
Pent is for 5. Got it? Everyone clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So we clear? So we Pratyush clear? So we, I am asking you if number of carbon is 4, what will be the its word root or what will be the name, the first name, which will be common? 4 for 4 carbon atoms. One name?
Butane.
But. B-U-T. Okay. For 5 it is pent. For 3 it is
Hexane.
3. Hexane code oil.
Oh, ma'am, sorry, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, I think. Ma'am, 3 propane.
Prop. P-R-O-P. Prop କହିବ. ଯଦି ANE ତାହେଲେ propane, propene or propine. ଗୋଟେ ଆୱାଜ ହଉଛି ଏମିତି. Okay. Pratyush, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the homologous series of alkene. देखो, alkene, ethene, alkene number 1 ରୁ start ହେଇ ପାରିବନି. କାହିଁକି कार्बन कार्बन ଭିତରେ double bond ଦରକାର. ବୁଝି ପାଇଲ କାହିଁକି first group ଏଠି ethene ହେଇଛି, methane ହେଇ ପାରିବନି କେବେ ବି ହେଲେ. Got it? Why methane ହେଇ ପାରିବନି? Because for double bond I need 2 carbon atoms, isn't it? So number of carbon is 2. Our bond carbon, double bond carbon C2H4. Clear? For propene it is number of 3. यदि प्रोपीन को हाबो तमे ड्रा करिया पे को जेमती भी ड्रा कर परिबो हैला एमती नाही कि तुमको गोटे पर सपोज एठी मो सी लिखली प्रोपीन माने तीनटा सी ना कि
Yes, ma'am.
आ गोटे डबल बॉन्ड मु एठी भी डबल बॉन्ड कर परिबी एठी भी डबल बॉन्ड कर परिबी तो एठी डबल बॉन्ड कर देली तो मो केत्ता हाइड्रोजन लागिबो एठी
Dida.
एठी 1 2 आ दीटा लागिबो.
Yes, ma'am.
आ पाइका ऑलरेडी तीनटा पळैछि आ केटा दरकार आ गोटे
Yes, ma'am.
आ पाइका तीनटा. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम एटी ट्रिपल बॉन्ड भी कर देले खाली गोटे ही दरकार.
हां ट्रिपल बॉन्ड करले भी हबो. ट्रिपल बॉन्ड को जिबा हमें बुझियला केमती हबो.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
2 it is ethene, if 3 it is propene, if 4 it is butene, if 5 it is pentene, and use the formula CN. Are कौन general formula? CN H alkene रो कौन अभी सांग सांग भूली गलो.
H2N.
Has CN has 2N.
MCN H2N.
सांग सांग भूल जाओ जाओ. Okay, now the last one is
Ma'am, CN
Has
H2
2 and
N
minus.
minus 2.
yes, very good. It is YN. এটা भी start হবো ethyne रो ଆଉ ଏଠି triple bond ହବ. ଯୋଉଠି triple bond ହବ ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ହାଇଡ୍ରୋଜେନ ଲାଗିବ. Understood? It is
Yes,
ethyne,
ma'am.
it is ethyne, propyne, butane and pentane. Clear everyone? I hope everyone is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I don't think so we can conduct MCQs today, but we'll do it in website if possible.
Ma'am,
Okay.
website it is not submitting, ma'am. It is good. Doing some problem in website.
We'll work out this and we'll do on it. Okay, fine. Any doubt,
Ma'am,
anyone?
in website we are facing problems.
Okay,
Means
fine.
not submitting once.
ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ live class ରେ ହିଁ କରିଦବା. I'll give you 20 minutes.
Yes,
15, 20 minutes and we can have a revision class MCQs. I have prepared 20 questions and easy questions on
Only on carbon and its compound.
yes, only on carbon and its compound.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Any doubt, anyone? Carbon and its compound is over. And I hope you have just understood everything. Very simple, very easy. Both important if you take chemistry in your higher classes. If you go for science and if you study chemistry, organic chemistry is very important, a branch of science. And this is the fundamental तम nomenclature तो उठी जाइची, what the reaction भी उठी जाइची. So I think you will remember what is homologous series, how to draw structure, what will be the general formula. Okay, what are the functional groups, isomerisms, what are the versatile nature of carbon, how it is forming bond. I hope it is clear to each and every one of you.
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Any structure, anything you can just draw and you can just satisfy the valency. Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ovik, Pratyush, all clear? Any doubt, anything you can ask.
No doubt.
Okay, fine. If you have any doubt, you can text me personally also. You can text me if you don't want to post it in your group. You can personally call me also. And chemistry, I want everyone to score 95 plus, 95% in chemistry at least. We'll just complete the last chapter in the next class, which is very periodic table. We'll start periodic table, periodic classification. Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes, Santanu.
मैं अपन कहले असाइनमेंट पठेबे फिजिक्स रो जो एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन आईएमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन को लाइट रो.
Okay, ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବି ମୁଁ ପଠେଇନି ନା ହଁ last class ମୁଁ ପଠେଇ ଦେବି so that we can submit in before.
Ma'am, after the last chapter, we will be doing revision.
Yeah, we'll do revision. We'll just have discussion. Any doubt, we'll clear any doubt and we'll have revision. We'll also do the paper, the numericals which you have and you are having doubt. I'll just help you out how to solve. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.